Hi, my name is Beulah Sones. I'm the member of the Sydney City Church from past 7 years. I've come here as a student 7 years back, and my family came along with me as a dependent on dependent visa. And from the time that we have come here, God has been faithful to us in many ways. We have depended wholly on God, and we have seen His faithfulness in our lives. I just want to say that the Sydney City Church, Pastor Mark and Joy, also have been a blessing to us. They've been with us through all our struggles and all our pain, and they've prayed with us, and they've stood along with us. And God has been faithful in giving us this church and giving us our family. My uncle and aunt, who was a great support for us when we come here. We didn't have anything, but they have provided for us everything that we need. And so we have seen God's faithfulness time and time again. And even in my studies, I started studying after 12 years of break. I had two children as well, and then it was a difficult time, but God has seen me through, and I had passed all the exams on time. And the greatest miracle I want to tell was about my English test, the IELTS that we had to do. When we were applying for the visa, we had to get 60 points, and then because I didn't have work experience back home, and because of my age, and all the points that we calculated was coming up to 50. And then if I needed an extra 10 points, I couldn't get from any other source but by my English test, which I had to get an overall of 8, or not overall, 8 in each band. And then I had done this test, I think 3 times, and then I used to get 7.5 in all the 3 tests, 7.5, and it was really disappointing because we had to spend lots of money, and then lots of studies and things going on. And then we had the last time we had the last chance before the expression of interest came in. And I was telling my husband, oh, this is the last time that I'm going to do the IELTS, and then after that I'm not going to do, we'll see what will happen. And then when I was giving that IELTS exam, my husband dropped me and he was going back, and just before I entered the hall, I heard a big noise. And I just looked back and I saw that my husband had met with an accident. A 4-wheel driver came and rammed into his car, and there's a big damage on the car, but nothing to my husband. And then when I ran back, my husband he heard the Holy Spirit telling to him that this is what Satan can do. This is the limit that he can do, but he's going to give us the victory in this test. I went into the hall like with a broken heart, like what's happening, because first of all I was tensed about the exam, and I really didn't know what I did in that exam. I came out and I told my husband, oh, I'm not sure if I'm going to get even 7.5 this time, but he told, no, it's not you who's doing, it's God who is doing it. So, and we prayed, and on the result day I was really scared to look at the result. I had prayed, and then when I opened the result, I got 8.5. I got 9 in 3 bands, and then 8.5 in the speaking, which I was never getting. I can tell all it is because of God's grace alone, because I couldn't do it my strength. Because when we trust in our strength, we will fail. But when we trust in God, He will open doors, like He did for the Egyptians. Till the end moment, they were between the Red Sea and the Pharaoh's army. But at the end moment, at the right time, He opens the Red Sea for them to cross through. So we had experienced that in this IELTS one. At the right time, at the end moment, He opened the doors and He gave us victory, and we got our PR, we got our citizenship. God has blessed us with good jobs, and He is using us in the ministry, in worship. So we are thank God for His faithfulness, and thank God for bringing people into our lives who has upholded us and who has led us through. Thank you.